So what brought me abroad was I had also never traveled outside of the country before, and I have a biomedical engineering minor and I want to pursue that in the future as my career. And so I thought this would be a really good opportunity to get some traveling experience and to learn more about biomedical engineering.
This week-long experience definitely was something that was appealing to me because it wasn't so set in stone, and not a lot of engineering students are able to go on these long study abroad opportunities. We were feeling nervous at first, the first time traveling out of the country, but then finally we were like, well, we're here, we're gonna take this opportunity and really focus and really just immerse ourselves and learn as much as we could.
So as a mechanical engineer, I felt pretty confident in most of the labs that we did. We did a lot of MATLAB coding, which I'm familiar with in multiple classes I've taken. The EKG lab that we did, I had done the week before in my anatomy lab. So a lot of the basic technical skills I felt very confident on. My biggest takeaway was that even though I think there was about 7 different countries, we met people from Egypt, from Italy, from Poland. There was a group of 6 from Poland. We were all still learning the same things. Our engineering foundation was very similar, and that was very cool. And also on the non-academic side, we also had a lot of just personal interests.
We were also able to, outside of the classroom, kind of immerse ourselves with our fellow collaboratives. We all came from different backgrounds, but we were still able to kind of go out to dinner and do stuff that we all kind of shared in common.
This would be a great opportunity for any Clarkson students interested in biomedical engineering who don't maybe want to take a whole semester off to study abroad or have plans to graduate early like I do myself, to still be able to get that abroad experience.